She's here.
She's here.
Oh, be quiet. All right, Alex, get in there. Alex.
No, Alex is signing.
Ain't that some good stuff, huh?
What are you doing? It's freaking raining.
It's almost more than I can take. Every time I rise,
Get in there, Bree.
inside me. It's almost more than I can take.
My wrist is attached to that. Oh my god! Hi, Grandma!
Everybody's hiding.
How's everybody hiding? Why is everybody hiding?
No.
Wait!
Let your mom and dad over here, Joe.
This whole part is
Over this way.
stupid.
Watch her. My purse is right there.
Everyone wasn't supposed to fall.
Okay.
Oh, they didn't mean to, I guess.
Oops.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
No, that's okay.
That was my secret. That was our secret.
I think you've been blown up, buddy.
I'm going to squirt you with this.
Okay.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Wait.
Not yet.
Nice.
He's hiding. By himself.
Yeah.
Remember 5 years ago when I first started
Yeah.
the bike pack?
Mhm.
And we were on that wall. And we stumbled because it didn't exist. Well, after spending the last 5 years with you, finding out the amazing woman you are, and the strength it took you to get to that damn list. And I'll always be that wall behind you. So you don't ever have to fall if you want to keep you going. A couple years into our relationship, I found out I needed my own wall. And brick by brick, you built it. You were there for me, and my dad promised and promised to be there for me.
This
And
is
just empty promises, and you were there with an understanding ear, because you too had to burden that cross. You were there for me when I almost lost the strongest woman in my life, my mom. See her strength in you. I'm glad the Lord didn't make her take her that day. I don't know if I'll ever get to stand next to him, but I know one day I'll get to be there with you next to him. That's why I hope you'll be my wife. Susan Farr, when you're ready.
You were supposed to say no. I want the ring.
Stand back, Boo, and do it.
I want to see it actually.
Yeah, I'll look at it now.
This is your surprise.
Getting strength.
Oh, she's been waiting and waiting and waiting.
Shake it. Shake it so it goes out further.
I'm sorry to keep everyone waiting.
You were supposed to say no, Susie. I want the ring.
Enjoying a little time on my Facebook. Well, now we're gonna do it this one.
Move it.
I did.
You know what Nana forgot to tell you? You have to clean all this up out of the yard now. Because you sprayed it there.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Susie, you were supposed to tell him no. I told him I'd get the ring if you said no.
Oh no.
We're all smiling.
I'm laughing.
Make sure you keep that away from
I'm
the
on
candle.
sorry.
Hi, Grandma.
okay.
Not like
where's the
Bree, I
camera?
can aim.
Where's the camera? Bree's been stringed. Get her in a picture. She's been stringed. Brianna, you're covered. You've been silly stringed. That was the funniest
That's
part.
okay, it'll come
Sorry,
out.
that's the
Don't
last
cry,
part.
Bree,
Stand
it'll
still
come
and
out.
we'll get it out.
It'll come out.
I'm nervous watching and telling.
Give her back her spray paint. My first order.
She's up there. She needs some too.
You want some gum? Whoa.
Get your grandmother.
Get
Oh, where'd Nana go? Oh.
The rain.
All right, I'm getting out of the rain.
I love you.
You're all pretty.
Don't spray Gigi, please, okay, Bree?
Enough.
Sure.
Oh
no!
I'm trying.
Oh, thank you!
Is that all the string you have? You didn't have another one? So you brought two. You were banging them together.
Oh, you have to shake them up really, really good. Like really. Oh, it's empty, I think. Oh, let's see. It's empty. If you have another one, you need another one.
Well, you can't
knew
run.
yes.
There's all kinds of trip hazards.
Yes.
Everybody gets to know before me.
Because it's happening to you.
It's dead, Bree. I got you with it.
I got
You can be my sister?
Now you gotta come in and listen to the song I attempted to play for you, but
Okay, let's get Gerbil in the house.
I don't even know how to turn the damn thing off. You know how to turn that off? Stop it.
By the way,
Hoping.
That's okay.